The room must be in that castle. But who's guarding it? Quick, Quack! Turn the dial the other way! Don't worry, Quack. Sir Zack will get the cure for your sneezes. Charge! Whoa!
Zack, are you okay?
Yes, I'm gliding. That's it. I can glide past the dragon. Kira, can you help me make a giant glider?
Of course I can.
We're going to need this. Poptastic! Now let's get those potatoes from the guarded room. Paper plane saves the day! Huh? The gusts of wind coming from the dragon are actually sneezes! The poor dragon has a case of the sneeze-a-lots too. Don't you worry, dragon. We'll share our stop sneezing soup with you. Aha! Pop-up potatoes! Quack! We've got all the ingredients for stop sneezing soup.
Hooray! Enchanted carrots from the cave that goes boom. Celery sticks from the forest of doom.
And pop-up potatoes from a guarded room.
But we don't have a way to cook it.
Or do we?
The dragon is cooking our soup. Thanks, dragon. Open wide.
I hope this works.
The stop sneezing soup works.
Fantastic!
Watch it open up for you. Hold tight, twist, make the